Hi, I'm Chahak
And I'm Yukta.
and we are from Excel Public School, Mysore.
We began with a brainstorming session and came up with a project called Play Safe. We asked ourselves, how can young children learn safety in a fun and active way? So, we wanted to design something exciting. Before building anything, we conducted our research. Secondary research suggested that gamification or play based learning is highly effective in early childhood. Our interview with kindergarten teachers also supported this. When we looked into how safety is currently taught in early childhood, we found that there were almost no group activities focused on teaching these skills. This made us confident that our idea could truly benefit young learners. Then we moved on to designing PlaySafe. We planned an activity where the teacher shows picture on a main board and children run to one of those two corners. Touch or don't touch. We also created other games like taste or don't taste and move or don't move. So children can learn about safe eating, safe touching and safe handling of objects. Next, we worked on the electronics. We used three Arduinos, HC12 wireless modules, and LED strips. There are three microcontroller units in our prototype. The main unit, which stays with the teacher in the center of the class, and two corner units. One corner represents touch and other represents don't touch. All three boards communicate using wireless HC12 modules. The main teacher's unit contains an RFID reader and each picture card has an RFID tag. The code already maps each tag to its correct answer. When a picture card is placed on the reader, the Arduino waits for the teacher to press a button. After the children run to their answer units, the teacher presses the button and the correct answer lights up, showing children whether they made the right choice. This way, the whole class participates in group play and children learn effectively. After the prototype was ready, we tested Play Safe with a group of young learners. They enjoyed running, choosing answers, and learning safety without fear.
We both came up